Couple seconds ago I just made $86 right from the stretch, and I wanted to show you how I did it. I wanted to share my own experience in this trading platform. If you're interested, watch this video till the end. I'm gonna show you how I'm doing it. I'm trading on IQ binary option platform, and this is very great tool to make money online. If you always wanted to know how to make money online, this video is sure for you, and it's gonna be very useful. Watch it till the end because I want to share with you my own trading experience. The platform is pretty simple and you can make money on it literally in minutes, just literally. We have 86% of profit right now. Here in the left top corner you can choose the currency that you're trading on. Right now it's 86% and I like it, so I've made more 86 bucks. All you need to do is just to predict which way the price will go. Of course it's pretty risky and you shouldn't invest more money than you can afford to lose. I can lose some money, so I'm making it simple and easy. And all you need to do is to make the correct prediction. And even if you made a wrong prediction, there's a way to change that, and there's a way to be profitable any time. As you can see, I made prediction and it wasn't correct. So for now, my result is minus 100 bucks. What should I do? I'm changing my amount for 2.5 times bigger, and in that case, if my next bet will be profitable, I will get to $150. That means that I've spent 100 and I will get them back and I will have a profit. I'm making new option. Price will go down. Okay, expiration time is passed. Should wait the purchase time 1 minute. So you have just two simple buttons, up or down, higher or lower. This is your prediction. You predict the movement of the price for these currencies. As you can see, if I pressed as I wanted to press the lower button, for now I would get the profit. To understand which way the price will go, you should just scroll out a little bit, and you see the price went down right now, and I believe that it will go up right here because it's moving all the time up or down. If my prediction will be correct right now, I will get to 150 bucks profit. This is pretty simple and this is pretty fast. You can get 86% of profit just in minutes. Show me the business that can make 86% of profit in a year, and it's gonna be good business. But right here, it's pretty simple and you can get profit in minutes. As you can see, my prediction was pretty close but not correct, and it's not a big deal. I told you that I'm making the martingale strategy. You can learn about that in internet, but each time when your bet is non-profitable, you need to change your amount to 2.5 times bigger. In that case, you will get a profit. Down, the price will go down. Let's see, couple more minutes. Let's see what's happening. The price is moving up and down, and I believe that I will get my 600 bucks. That means that I will get a profit even if I'm lost in my previous bets. This is pretty nice and pretty cool, and it allows you to make money without a doubt, and pretty simple. Okay, here you go. Here you go. If your bet was right, was correct, you should go back to your previous amount of money. My previous amount, my first amount was $100, and I like to trade on $100 because it's not more, not less. It's pretty. Everybody has $100, isn't it? I believe that the price will go down a little bit and then it will go up. I believe that price will be right here, and even if it's not, even if I will lose this bet, I got my money back, I made a profit, and I can lose a little bit, and in my next bet I will make 2.5 times bigger bet, and that's it. In that case I will have profit anyway. So amount of $100, if it's a lot for you, you can start from $10 to try it yourself and to understand how the platform is working, how you can make money on it, and to try it yourself. If you want to try it, I will leave the links in the description of this video so you can easily use it and make your own account on this platform and make your own profit within a minute. As I told you already, it's not a big deal if you're making a mistake. Everybody making mistake all the time, and it's no big deal. You should think about it like any bet is profitable if you're using the martingale strategy. As you can see right now, my prediction was incorrect, and in that case I've lost a little bit money. In that case I'm making 2.5 times bigger, near that 2.5 times bigger, because we don't have 100%, we have only 86. And if my next bet will be correct, I will get $600 profit, and it will cover up all my previous losses. Okay, I believe the price go up a little bit, because right here we can think that it's near to the bottom, and it will grow up because the highest peak is right here and the lowest peak was right here in the short term, and in the long term it was right here. So trend is about upgoing. Okay, $600, and I'm getting back to my first amount, to my lovely $100. Let's see what's happening. The price went up right here. That means that it should go down, and let's make such bet. Scroll in. See, in 29 seconds we will see what's happening. It's not always profitable, but I told you already that you can get profit anyway. Even if you're making mistakes on the platform, it's no big deal. If you're using martingale, it's gonna be profitable anyway. You should have some money on your deposit, and think how much money you can, how many bets you can make. For example, if you're making a bet for $10, I was near. And let's see what's happened. I got my money or not, because where was my point? Show me the result. Show me, show me, show me. Result is plus $86. Great. Guys, actually this is pretty simple. You have just 2 buttons and you can make your own decision. If you want to try it yourself, please be my guest. Use my links under description, under this video, in the description panel. Wish you good luck, wish you big profits. See you in the next videos. Bye.